Chlorine dioxide is a powerful and versatile chemical used in a variety of applications, from water treatment and food processing to industrial cleaning and environmental remediation. Our expert team provides cutting-edge chlorine dioxide solutions that ensure superior microbial control, odor elimination, and contaminant removal. With a commitment to sustainability and safety, we deliver products and services that meet the highest standards of quality and reliability. What we do: water treatment, food and beverage industry, medical and healthcare, pulp and paper industry, textile industry, oil and gas industry, agriculture, veterinary and animal husbandry, odor control, sector usage, industrial, agricultural, food and beverage, hospitality, mining. Acumen Group, your premier source for effective and safe disinfection and oxidation. Scan here to download the chlorine dioxide brochure.